Listen. Story 12. Riddle. I have a question for you, says Billy. It is yours, but everyone uses it more than you do. What is it? Sally thinks hard. It is mine, but others use it more than I do. What can it be? Now Sally smiles. She knows what it is. My name, of course, she says. Lots of people use her name, but Sally almost never does.
Let's see if Tom can answer.
Read aloud.